Is your Apple Watch starting to feel a little too heavy? Like it's just one more screen demanding your attention in a world already drowning in notifications? Well, what if the most powerful piece of technology you own by the end of this year didn't have a screen at all? Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we are breaking down the definitive details of the Apple Ring 2026. This isn't just another fitness tracker. It's the device designed to bridge the gap between your physical body and the digital world in a way we've never seen. We're talking about skin-to-skin gesture controls, clinical-grade health monitoring that rivals a doctor's office, and a battery life that finally ends the daily charging cycle. Stick around, because the secret feature involving the Apple Vision Pro makes this ring a mandatory purchase for anyone serious about the future of tech. Imagine waking up without a vibrating puck on your wrist or a bright screen blinding you in the dark. Just a sleek aerospace-grade titanium band on your finger. This is the reality of the Apple Ring. According to the latest supply chain insights and finalized patent filings, Apple has perfected a design that is remarkably thin, less than 3 millimeters, crafted from a specialized metallic glass and titanium alloy. For those of you who have tried existing smart rings and found them too bulky for daily wear, Apple is reportedly solving this with a modular internal sensor array that allows the ring to be more flexible and comfortable than anything currently on the market. But why is 2026 the year Apple finally enters this market? The answer lies in the shift toward ambient computing. Apple wants you to interact with your technology without looking at it. The Apple Ring is set to feature a revolutionary micro-haptic engine. Imagine walking through a busy city. Instead of glancing at your phone for directions, your ring gives a subtle directional tap on the left or right side of your finger to tell you where to turn. It's invisible, it's intuitive, and it's quintessentially Apple. The health technology inside this band is where things get truly serious. We've seen the emergence of SMI or single-mode interference laser sensors in recent testing. Unlike the standard green and red LEDs you see on the back of an Apple Watch, these lasers can penetrate deeper into the skin with surgical precision. This allows the Apple Ring to track not just your heart rate, but potentially your blood pressure, trends, and even glucose signals without a single needle. For the user who values longevity and wellness, this is the holy grail. It's clinical-grade data that lives on your finger 24/7, and because it doesn't have a power-hungry OLED screen, the battery life is projected to last between 7 to 10 days. You could go on a week-long trip and never even pack a charger. The Apple Ring isn't just a secondary health tracker, it is the ultimate remote control. Patents have surfaced showing skin-to-skin gesture technology. By wearing the ring, the sensors can detect when you tap your thumb against your index finger or slide your finger across your palm. This effectively turns your entire hand into a touchpad. You could be in a meeting, keep your hand in your pocket, and silently decline a call or skip a music track just by tapping your fingers together. It's a seamless integration of hardware and human movement. For power users, let's talk about the Apple Vision Pro and the future of spatial computing. Currently, the Vision Pro relies on cameras to track your hands. While impressive, it's not perfect, especially in low light or when your hands move out of the camera's field of view. The Apple Ring acts as a physical anchor. It provides the headset with one-to-one precision tracking. This means you could be sitting in a dark room and still navigate your virtual workspace with zero latency. Furthermore, it adds a layer of haptic feedback to the virtual world. When you touch a button in the air while wearing the ring, you'll actually feel a tactile click on your finger. This is the missing link that turns spatial computing into a professional-grade tool. In terms of market positioning, the rumors are pointing toward a price range of $299 to $349. Apple has one major advantage over competitors like Oura: the lack of a mandatory subscription. While other brands lock your own health data behind a monthly paywall, Apple is expected to integrate the ring directly into the existing health ecosystem. If you're already an iPhone user, this ring becomes a frictionless investment, a one-time purchase for a lifetime of biometric data. One secret feature that is just now coming to light is the rotating band. High-end prototypes of the Apple Ring reportedly feature a secondary outer shell that can actually spin. Think of it like the digital crown on the Apple Watch, but reimagined for a ring. You could use it to scroll through a document on your Mac, adjust the volume on your AirPods, or even dim the smart lights in your home just by twisting the ring on your finger. It's tactile, it's satisfying, and it represents a level of mechanical engineering that competitors have yet to match. Security is another pillar of this release. With the 2026 Apple Ring, your identity is literally on your hand. Using continuous bio-authentication, the ring knows it's you based on your unique heart rhythm and skin impedance. As long as you're wearing the ring, your iPhone, your Mac, and even your front door with HomeKit will stay unlocked. The second you take it off, the digital key is revoked. This eliminates the minor frustrations of Face ID failures while wearing sunglasses or the need to constantly type in passwords. It is the most secure, frictionless way to navigate a digital world. The Apple Ring represents more than just a new product category. It marks the transition from the screen era to the ambient era. We are moving toward a world where technology is omnipresent but visible nowhere. Apple has spent years watching the competition, waiting for the technology to be miniaturized to this degree and for the sensors to reach this level of accuracy. Now, in 2026, they are ready to launch. It's discreet enough for a formal event, but powerful enough to run your entire smart home. As we look toward the official launch alongside the iPhone 18 later this year, it's clear that this device will change how we perceive wearables. For the minimalist who wants to disconnect it from screens, for the athlete who needs precise data without the bulk, and for the tech enthusiast who wants the latest in spatial control, the Apple Ring is the answer. It is a testament to how far miniaturization has come. Thanks for joining us here at Tap Tech for this deep dive. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on the latest in flagship tech and professional imaging, make sure you are subscribed. We are tracking every move in the supply chain to bring you the most authentic updates possible. What do you think? Is the Apple Ring the device that finally makes you take off your smartwatch, or do you still need that screen on your wrist? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We'll be back soon with more technical breakdowns. Until then, keep tapping into the future.